This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the bookmarks bar on the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see I have my bookmarks bar enabled. It is showing. Probably the easiest way to enable it or disable it is by using the keyboard shortcut. On a Windows or Linux machine, it is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. See, it has disappeared now. I'm going to press Ctrl plus Shift plus B again, and now it has reappeared. Another way to do it, you can go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You can click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Bookmarks. Click on Bookmarks. And right here I have an option to hide the Bookmarks toolbar, being mine is showing. I'm going to click on Hide Bookmarks Toolbar. It has disappeared. To bring it back, I can go back up to the top, click on the 3-bar hamburger menu, go back down to Bookmarks, and now I have an option to show the Bookmarks toolbar. I'm going to click on that. Now it has reappeared. That is how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.